Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the stone walls of a centuries-old harbor, the sun slowly rising over the Aegean Sea, casting golden hues over the historic mansions that line the waterfront. This is Hydra, Greece, a hidden gem in the Saronic Gulf, and today, we are diving deep into what makes this island the perfect destination for your next travel vlog. Hydra is a place where time seems to stand still, where there are no cars or noisy scooters to disrupt the peacefulness of its cobblestone streets. Instead, donkeys clip-clop along narrow alleys, and local fishermen bring in the catch of the day, giving visitors a taste of a simpler, more authentic way of life. For travel enthusiasts looking to capture genuine moments, Hydra offers endless opportunities. Picture yourself filming the morning market as locals haggle for the freshest produce, or recording a quiet moment at the Monastery of the Assumption of Virgin Mary, a stunning 18th century relic that serves as a tranquil escape from the midday sun. Your Hydra vlog would not be complete without highlighting the island's vibrant art scene. Hydra has long been a haven for artists and writers, drawn by its natural beauty and inspiring light. The island is home to several art galleries and hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year. You could film a visit to the Hydra Museum Historical Archives or capture the creative energy at the Deste Foundation Project Space, where contemporary art and the island's storied past intersect. Each frame would tell a story of culture and creativity, offering viewers a unique perspective on what makes Hydra so special. As you navigate Hydra's winding paths, don't miss the chance to film the breathtaking views from the Kamini Harbor or the climb up to the Prophet Elias Monastery, where a panoramic view of the entire island awaits. Here, your viewers can experience the thrill of discovery alongside you, feeling the cool breeze and hearing the distant sounds of the sea. And when the day winds down, capture the golden hour as the sun sets behind the hills, casting a warm glow over the harbor, turning every moment into a picture-perfect memory. Practical advice for your Hydra vlog includes planning for plenty of walking. Comfortable shoes are a must. Bring a portable charger to keep your camera rolling all day, and take advantage of the island's quiet morning hours for the best shots without crowds. What would be the first place you'd film on Hydra? Share your ideas in the comments.